So Logitech's dropped the new G309, and today I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. I'm going to sit there and measure every bit of it, check out how it's built, check out the coating, and see really where this mouse fits, along with what grip it'll fit, stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of stuff, well, you'd come to the right place. So I'm Billy Bob, gaming 35 years, show people how to get competitive edge over their rivals with all different things like teardowns, gaming mice mods, and general stuff to enhance your mouse experience. I also play Valorant as well. If you want to see an old man gaming and see my aim, then check me out. I certainly stream on Twitch, generally on Friday nights as well. Right, let's take a look at the Logitech 309 Abomination. I don't know what this is about, but interesting to have a look at it. I guess it's an update to 305, but totally different shape and costs a bit more still. The weird bag for it. What the hell? Right, usual stuff that I don't care about. Used to put 309 on the USB key so you can find it easily because I've got so many. You know what though, actually? The mains feel like quite like the shape. I hate it. It's a bit flat maybe on the side. The side buttons feel horrendous. Just gonna tell you now they're like spring loaded. They don't feel nice, but the mains feel okay. Mains feel good, but quite a lot of travel. They are mushy on the sides. I like the shape. The world's tiniest skates. How narrow they are, but still not bad, I guess. The Optomech, I'm trying to work it out without reading the spec. The sides definitely aren't. They just feel horrific, the sides, but I'd say they're the orange Optomechs. Light Force optomechanical switches. I reckon it's 68 grams. That's why I like them. I quite like the Optomechs in it. They feel quite a bit lighter maybe than the switch itself is. That's why they feel a bit mushy. Like, you can't see how big that gap is, but yeah, maybe like that. Look at that movement. Oh my days, there's the switch. That's a lot of pre-travel. Side buttons may be worse than the Fnatic, but the 5-volt ones were just rock hard, weren't they? These ones are like, oh my god, I don't know. They feel like they've got a load of springs behind them, do you know what I mean? The Logitech 309, what do we think? Mains feel nice, like the switch mechanism. They just feel like they've got horrendous amounts of pre-travel, which they have. A lot of pre-travel. That's a lot, but they feel nice and clicky. Optomechs. Scrollwheel's a little bit hard. I like the transparent rubber, but bit of a dead main switch. Side buttons are horrific. They are so spongy. Not bad for the pre-travel. They're not the best. They've got some, as you can see, there's pre-travel there. And a bit of post, but not as much. But it's just the movement, the whole. They're not nice switches at all. Quite thin skates. Can use power play. Okay. How does that work without a AAA in it? So it works. Maybe it's got an internal battery as well. Looks like it maybe has. I'll have to look. I like the transparent base. Then you got your AA slot. I don't really know where it fits in the market, this one. I kind of like the shape though. It's like egg. It's got RGB because of colouring. The mains do feel nice, just that pre-travel. Logitech definitely got the better switches for Optomechs compared to Razer's Gen 3, which just tried in that Viper. Death Adder V3 Hyperspeed. These feel much nicer, night and day. The texture's a bit better on this. It feels like it's got a little bit of texture to it. I like the shape. I do like the shape. What does it weigh? Got Bluetooth. Okay. Take the puck out. But you put your battery on it. Damn. I need knocked over again. That's what the dimensions are like. I don't really see where this fits from Logitech. I like the shape, I like the buttons. Maybe this wanted a different shape for a cheaper mouse, maybe. Thin, but not end of the world. These side buttons are a little bit thin. Logitech's not learning. People like wider side buttons. They protrude a little bit, but a bit thin. So where's the sensor? It looks a little bit forward. Hard to measure, but I would say it's a little bit forward. Yeah, only slightly. Test out the old weight distribution. Just behind the sensor, I'd say that's where the balance is. So you're going to put it all on the back. right at the back. The weight now. But yeah, I don't know. I like the shape. It's too much pre-travel. Side buttons suck. Skates are pretty good actually. Coating's okay, but it'll yellow. Could do a little bit more texture. It weighs quite a lot, 80 odd grams, but it's okay for like I won't use it for gaming, I don't think. It's okay for desktop work. It's a little bit expensive. Don't really see where it fits in Logitech's range, but would I use it? No. Would I buy it? No. I like the idea of power play and a AA battery, but a bit of a weird combo. I don't understand why we're still using AA batteries. I can notice that with Office mice, maybe moving around, but yeah. The only thing I like about it is the shape. That's it.